Hello, and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana is currently here, still, while I record this video, holding below the red trend line. This is the daily chart. Just want to briefly show you the overall bigger picture, larger time frame wave pattern. Thesis would be that we are close to the completion here of a pullback in either wave A in the white scenario or the fourth wave in the yellow scenario. That means we are watching for a breakout to the upside, which could be the beginning of wave B. And then, if we see, especially in this resistance area, that's the first resistance zone between $181.32 and $263.30. We're going to watch for a potential reaction that could lead to the start of the C wave to the downside. This is not necessarily the preferred scenario. What I want to communicate is just for risk management purposes. If we see any 5-wave decline, a small 5-wave decline from this resistance area, that would be an indication that C wave has started. From an Elliott wave point of view, we don't want to see any 5-wave movements to the downside now. If we break out to the upside here, as long as pullbacks remain corrective, which means we go up and then we get 3-wave movements to the downside, that is keeping the door open for higher prices. I mean, nothing can go up in a straight line. So even in an uptrend, we will get pullbacks that lead to higher lows and so on. But as long as it's a 3-wave move down, not a 5-wave move down, the door can remain open for higher prices. And then we can continue to climb like that, yeah? This would be the idea. And the yellow scenario is still preferred and could take us to round about $360 to $380. That would be still ideal. But bear in mind, a lot can go wrong along the way. So just for scenario planning, we need to be aware of the white and yellow scenarios. Yeah? We need them both. And key is just to understand at what point does the white scenario get more probable? Because should we get a breakout from that trend line there, from that red trend line to the upside, then the trend is up, okay? And we're going to watch for higher prices. So the uptrend is leading. So we're just following the trend, simply following the trend. But we are going to watch and manage the microstructure. Basically, we're going to watch exactly how the market is behaving on the micro level. And if we see any indication that the yellow scenario is not going to play out, then this is going to be a major warning because it could trigger really a start of a larger correction. Okay, I would say now let's take a look at the smaller time frame. That means, however, that we're here really at a key pivot, at a key level where the price has to make a decision. And okay, you can never rule out another low, absolutely not. So it could easily form one more low, but it's still broadly this area here where I'm anticipating a reversal to the upside. Been saying that now for the last couple of weeks or so. Not much happened, but since then we've been moving up a little bit, yeah. So the Solana chart on the smaller time frame indicates, however, that something is happening, okay? Something. I'm tracking 2 scenarios here on the micro level. This is really just the 1-hour time frame. I mean, I'm not even worried, when you're looking at this time frame, the question is not, do we go to an all-time high or we're going to see that B wave rally I showed you? No. The question on this time frame is, have we bottomed? Have we put some kind of a low in place, or do we get another low here locally? And I cannot rule out the option for one more low yet. I can only do that. I mean, you can never really fully rule something out, but it's more a bit of a saying. It's more about probabilities. Probabilities for one more low will significantly reduce if the market follows that blue pathway, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, 5. I'm not entirely sure about the microstructure here, but Solana is pushing higher. And if the market can break above these recent swing highs and we break above the yellow trend line, which honestly might have happened already when you watched the video, micro price action moves very quickly, but at least you know the levels. So if the market breaks above $138, $137, $138, the blue scenario will be leading, which means there is a real chance that a substantial low has formed. And any break below the red line at $122 would confirm that one more low is in the making, with a target $110 to $103. So yeah, this is now a key spot. Watch the trend line, watch the $137 level. That's the update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.